But the entry point is really great. I like the point that we are having, the level that we are having. So basically, you can see that after a strong bullish candle, okay, let's move on with our first bet. So I'm going all in, and you can see the Bollinger Band signals an upward move. So the price is in the long zone, and we still have some room to grow according to the indicator. So we are going for long. We're going for this. Oh my god, look at this wave. Crazy. Oh, I got scared. Honestly, I got scared, I swear. Yeah, that was a bit risky, a bit scary. Okay, now let's move to another currency pair. I'm going all in again, 144, and I'm gonna play short, go for short, because you can see the buyers lack strength for further upward movement, and despite initial expectation of growth, the we do have a favor of decline right here. So the potential, I can feel the smell of the decline. So, and that suggestion makes me go short, and I'm going for that. Here we go. Wow, it was really legit. I like it. Okay, Canadian dollars and the francs here. I'm gonna go 250. Let's keep the $6 right there. I'm willing to go for long, to be honest, because you can see the price consolidated above the midline of the Bollinger Band, and oscillator shows strong upside potential. So I want to try going upward. And guys, by the way, let me know in the comments what you like the most, when I turn off the whole lights and I keep only this RGB lights, or you like when it's, but when I got a lot of lights. So because in this type of setup I have focus on myself rather than an environment and everything, and these lights they give that vibe that I want to have. Honestly, I like it more, but I know everything that I'm doing for you, so let me know. Got different tastes and this type of things. So through. I missed that. Thanks God that we didn't lose that by giving another attempt. Oh my God. Oh my days. You can see that we had just minor volatility, and it just knocked out on the previous option. We still have the bullish signals right there, so we are re-entering re-entering basically to recover from that. Okay, good. Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's move forward. So I want to have 480 right now, keeping the $6 again. I don't know, lucky digit, lucky number, but the entry point is really great. I like the point that we are having, the level that we are having. So basically, you can see that after a strong bullish candle, price started consolidation, and it just consolidated without the decline. So we are holding the upper Bollinger Band zone, and oscillator shows that we have more room to rise. I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm doing that. I'm doing it. Okay. I'm really glad after that trade where we almost lost our funds. It feels great. It feels like a fresh air, I want to go 900 right now with the Australian and the United States dollars, of course, and I'm going for long. So we do have almost a similar situation right now, because apparently steady upward movement in the long zone. Oscillator broke out from the oversold area, signaling continuation, buying that. Okay, $1,728 I got right now. Oh, in the beginning I had 75. Now I have 1,755. Okay, now I want to get 150, like 1,500. Now we're getting, and we're going for the long, guys. You can see that resistance level is broken. Matter of fact, price fixed above the Bollinger, the midline of the Bollinger Band. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Just, you know, I can understand your hesitation and your doubt in the I'm talking about the Telegram group, but I don't understand what type of hesitation you have when it's free. You just enter whenever you want and just leave whenever you want. You're just not paying. You're not stuck there. Just give it a shot. I mean, I swear you won't regret it. I know what I'm talking about. It's about the information. It's about the stream of information. We had this much. So $3,135 right now. And I made it in 7 or 8 bets from $75. Isn't it amazing? Just it took me like 15 minutes or something like this to get profit from $75 and to get 3,000, guys. Can you just imagine that? People are working like that's someone's monthly salary, innit? I believe so. I made it like in 15 minutes. It is, it's not magic, it's knowledge. So it's not about working hard, it's about working smart. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier, do not forget to join my Telegram VIP group. It's in the comment section. The first comment that you're gonna see, the pinned one. The link is gonna be right there. As well as do not forget to leave a like under this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you for watching. Take care. Please, please, please take care of yourself and of the people that you love. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.